Rising above the skyline, a new icon is about to redefine Makati living. Welcome to Vion Tower, perfectly located at the corner of EDSA and Chino Roces in Makati City. Just minutes from NAIA Terminal 3, MRT Magallanes, BGC, top malls, and everything that matters. Imagine skipping the long commutes and living in the heart of it all, where the city moves with you, not against you. Step inside the elegant main lobby with its premium finishes and soaring ceilings, and sleek elevators that set the tone for luxury living. Unwind at the infinity pool while enjoying sweeping views of Makati CBD, Laguna, or even the breathtaking sunset over Manila Bay. Here's one of our ready for occupancy studio units. Fully fitted, stylish, and move-in ready. Just bring your furniture and appliances, and you're home. Vion Tower, the tallest residential condo along EDSA Magallanes, and one of the most connected address in Makati. Very limited units remaining. Live the Makati lifestyle you deserve. Visit megaworldliving.com or contact me, Kenneth Leonardo, today.